On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp calls problem. So if you have any problem with the calls in WhatsApp, this video must help you a lot. So first thing you wanna do, guys, is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, and after that you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone, and then scroll all the way down until you find the WhatsApp. Click on it and then click on the permissions page. On this page you will find all the app permissions, so make sure to enable all the permissions, especially the call logs and the phone. Go back, click on data usage, and then disable the background data and the roaming data. Now all what you want to do is restart your phone and the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, so please make sure to update your WhatsApp into the latest version in the Play Store. And if you update it and the problem still not working, then make sure that there is no problem with the network in your phone. So don't forget to like, subscribe.